we started to work with Certainly, and in the beginning it was I was afraid actually, because they told me that I have to build the bot, and I was like, never gonna happen. I'm not technical and I don't know how to do it, and so I was a little bit worried. But then we started, and we had a really good connection, I would say, from the beginning. There was like this day with a whole workshop where I came in and Certainly showed me how the system works and how to build a bot and what is possible, and it was really cool. And then I saw that I can actually build a bot. So